Hey everybody, just a quick update for you on some new tools that we've added to the website. I just want everybody to understand how they work so that you can help customers with the same options. If we go to our cutting tools, and I'll start with high feed and jump down to products, and I'm going to click the high mid feed inserts as an example. We have added a new filter. So we've had the filters for grade and for edge type, but we've added a filter called recommended for. And if you or the customer clicks that filter, you'll see the various ISO material groups listed. So let's click stainless steel. And then you see with that filter turned on, only the inserts that are suitable for stainless steel come up. Now it doesn't narrow it down to one choice. Obviously, it still leaves some choice to the customer, both in terms of the coatings that are available and also the hardness of the grade. So remember, the larger number is the tougher, more shock resistant grade, and the lower number that's visible is going to be the harder, more wear resistant grade. So keep that in mind, educate your customers, but it does help eliminate the possibility, maybe not eliminate, but reduce the possibility of a customer choosing, for example, a T-landed or a flat top insert for stainless steel, or them choosing a very soft, tough grade of carbide for machining hardened steel. This is definitely a helpful tool in narrowing down the insert choices to inserts that are appropriate for that material. So anyway, once you've got that list, and let's say we choose the DMK30 GLH in this case, the 61 or 63160. When I click that, now instead of just, again, the item specifications have always come up, but now you'll see that we do have various material groups showing for this particular insert, but more so, we've added speed and feed charts. So for that particular insert, you'll see that there's a surface footage, feet per tooth, and depth of cut listed for any of the material groups that this insert is suitable for. If it's not suitable for a given material, for example, so what we're looking at here is our RF10D DMK30GLH, you would not run a sharper insert with a tough substrate in a hardened steel, so it's not recommended. The same thing for a medium hardened steel. We also wouldn't recommend that for cast iron, but for your stainless steels, your soft steels, and high temp alloys, exotics, that insert is definitely recommended, and we've included starting speeds and feeds for those materials to get someone started. So not only are we directing the customer to what grade to choose and geometry to choose, but we're also giving them speeds and feeds to get themselves started with. So this is a really helpful tool. It's available for most of our products. I don't believe the single-sided square shoulder is done yet, but for example, the DSS double-sided, if we jump to products, and this is always going to be on the insert pages, basically wherever you see this recommended for filter and the ISO material groups, that means that these two tools have been implemented. So you can both collect the inserts specific to that material group, and once you pick an insert, you can get speeds and feeds in this picture file associated with the specific item. And keep in mind, this is tough to read just looking at it. So if just one click brings up an expanded or magnified chart so that you or the customer can see what materials that grade is suited for. So not something that our competitors necessarily do. We're really driving the customer to the specific insert geometry and grade to use for a material, plus we're providing them with starting parameters right out of the gate. So all of that is available on our website currently, and we expect to have all of the different inserts set up with these two new tools probably within the next couple of weeks. So keep your eyes peeled.